say the Hilton in Manila is definitely a thumbs up on that one. If you come to Manila, this will be a good place to stay. And if you are a Diamond member, you might want to check it out. So now we are going to see what else they have in the hotel and maybe check out a casino or two and have some fun here in Manila.
Like I should, I'm all good, I'm all good. Never knew I could, I'm all good, I'm all good. Feeling like I should, I'm all good, I'm all good. Never knew I could, I'm all good, I'm good.
So I know the mall.
Yes.
Yeah, but we wanted to see, there's a Chinese restaurant.
Chinese restaurant. But it's open at 5:30 p.m.
5:30. Okay, so how do we get to the mall? Oh, there's a casino right there. This is the same place. Is this is Resort World?
No, no.
Newport World?
No, Newport World is the mall.
Oh, okay.
It's that side. The store left, and we have signage there to follow only the signage there.
Okay.
Going to the mall.
Thank you so much. So we are headed over to the mall, and it connects to our hotel. So you don't have to go all the way outside to get to stuff. All the hotels and everything connect. That's awesome. Hello. Oh, matching hair.
Where you from?
From the U.S., but we live in Thailand. Where are you guys from? So we are entering the mall here, and unlike Thailand, you still have to wear your mask here in Philippines indoors, but it's okay. I mean, we've been wearing it for 2-3 years. Used to it now, but you know, it's definitely nice to not have to wear it. But this is the mall. Oh my gosh, they've got a wolf thing. Yes, and look at this Korean bulgogi brothers. This looks amazing, guys. I don't know, we might eat there. Looks like they've got tons of places over here to eat. There's
Johnny Chow.
yeah. So this is definitely a very nice looking mall. Johnny Chow, Crisotomo. You guys see this here? They've got a Wolfgang Steakhouse. And they've got some kind of entertainment here. This guy. Hi there. Uh-oh, there you go. So we're gonna try and find something to eat now, and we've got plenty of places to choose from over here. So what are you in the mood for? So this is I hope I'm pronouncing it right, Johnny Kahuku's. It's a fish and shrimp shack. They've got Baja fish tacos, fried rice, a combination of things over here. Okay, so we decided to go to Johnny Kahuku's and eat, this is the fish and shrimp shack. I'm gonna try them out, see how it is. We looked at the other place, it was a Thai restaurant, and because we live in Thailand, we didn't want to get Thai food. We can get that anytime. So we did get our order, and I ordered the shrimp and chips, and Charles ordered the fish and chips to try them. He said that's one of their most popular things, so we're gonna try that. I'm so happy to be here in the Philippines. I wanted to check this place out for a long time. When I was stationed in Korea, I didn't get a chance to come over here, but a lot of my friends did, so I'm glad to be here now. What'd you say?
I said tomorrow we'll check out Mall of Asia and the beach right beside it. Stay tuned.
He's such an actor, I'm telling you. Look, that is not what we do here. We don't act. So sometimes things don't go your way over here, and it's funny how the waitress just responded. Like a lot of times when they don't have what we want, and they'll come back and they're a little nervous to tell us that, and we're like, no problem, which it is no problem. They're so surprised that we don't have a problem. And I think that's because maybe a lot of foreigners come over here and they don't get what they want and they have a problem and they show out. Well, what I have to say to that is, when you're overseas, this is not your country. This is not a have it your way all the time. It's not Burger King. So sometimes you don't have it your way, but you got to be able to go with the flow and be easy, because these people are nice. You know, they're very nice, very accommodating. So I don't understand why some people just really show out when they go places. But you know, not that that's gonna, you know, my advice to you is gonna change things, but maybe sometimes you might want to think about it a little bit and not have such a big problem with everything. I think that's a good thing for me, and you know, about being retired, because everything should be easy. You know, I don't have a whole lot of stresses, and I gotta know that everything's not gonna go my way. So, and I'm okay with that. It's food. If you're hungry and they don't have onion rings and all they have is potato wedges, get the potato wedges, or don't get anything, but stop complaining. Thank you. These guys are so nice. So this is a new one for me. He suggested the San Miguel, one for my husband, but it's a little bit stronger. This is the one my husband got, and he said it was a little bit bitter, and I don't like bitter, so I'm not a huge beer drinker, but the San Miguel Light, he said, wasn't too bitter, so I'm gonna try this one out. He said it was a lot like a Tiger. It's almost like a Corona Light. So, it's not. So, not too bad, good suggestion. She's cute. So this is our first day in Philippines, and we're spending it just kind of getting a feel of the area. We had to go pick up that rental car earlier. We are checking out just the things that are close by the hotel right now. Tomorrow we're going to get up and probably go out to the water and go out to the mall, which is near the water. So we'll check out that side of Manila tomorrow. Today we are going to hang out on this side, possibly go to a casino. You know, gotta go to a casino. So this area in this mall that's connected to our hotel, it slightly reminds me of Paris Hotel in Las Vegas. That's exactly what it reminds me of. So the food here at Johnny Kazuki's was delicious. They had a grilled shrimp taco that was amazing, same level as California's taco. Don't get mad, California, because they hitting it up over here with these grilled shrimp tacos. Enjoyed the food, enjoyed the atmosphere. Customer service was amazing, and if we have time, we probably will come back. I'll come back just for those grilled shrimp tacos because they were really good. Something you're gonna run into out here. This place is huge, massive. Tired, baby?
Yep.
Let's go. Time to take my old man back to the room.
Whatever.
These are the beautiful ladies in the executive lounge here. Ah, thank you. So we are back in the executive lounge, and they have a Chinese platter for dinner. So we're gonna have that. I guess have some cocktails and desserts, and then we're gonna head on up to the room. I've got some work to do and try and get a video out about our first day here. We have enjoyed it. The people here at this Hilton are amazingly friendly, outgoing. Everybody here is so nice. So we're enjoying ourselves in Manila so far. So what's the best part so far?
The best part?
Not
I'm saying right now, the people.
Did you lose a lot of money in the casino?
I lost some.
Yeah, did you have fun?
I did have fun.
Yeah. So we did go to the casino today, and we had a really good time. We're gonna go out tomorrow and do some other things, probably go by the water, because I know that they have a beach here. It's not like the beaches in the on the islands here in Philippines, but there are some beaches here. But tonight we're gonna just relax and have a couple of drinks and enjoy ourselves. This is salmon. It is salmon. I really don't like salmon, but I'm gonna try it. That's not bad. It's so funny. He is never observant of this camera. So he did bring me a mimosa, and it's delicious.
Ooh, not that bad.
That pepper's gonna light my mouth up.
Why'd you put it on there?
I'm gonna try it a bit into a whole one. He said a little bit of spice. It's a lot of spice. Okay, so we're not gonna do the same thing again because he plays too much. So we had a good day today in the Philippines. I enjoyed ourselves. We kind of, stayed in the local area today. We did get to rent a car and drove out a little bit. Traffic's not as bad here as it is in Thailand. Well, in Bangkok specifically, but it's still
traffic here.
It's still traffic, yeah. But did you find it as difficult driving here?
No, it was a whole lot easier to drive here than Thailand.
Yeah, I didn't drive yet today. Finally, he did all the driving, so.
This time.
And I wasn't bad. I didn't nag you, did I?
No, not as much this time.
Not as much.
Yeah.
Anyway, we did have a good day. We are exhausted. Didn't get much sleep last night when we were traveling. We had a late night flight. So we got in here about 2 o'clock in the morning,
Yep.
Exhausted, and we stayed up till after 5 o'clock, of course. So I'm gonna get busy a little bit doing some work, and
I'm going to sleep.
yep, we had a good time, and we will see you guys tomorrow for breakfast.
Yep.
Good night.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. Well,